Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In the last episode of Travel with Bugs, we had gone to Vienna and visited the Schönbrunn Palace. And this week, we will be going to the beautiful Hallstatt, Bad Ischl and Salzkammergut. And there will be a cool surprise location in this video which I really want to show you guys. So let's go! This is the place that we stayed in Bad Ischl for the rest of our journey. We had visited the other place that I mentioned from here itself. You could also stay in Salzburg and cover these places if you wish. The place where we stayed was a very quiet place from where one could actually appreciate nature. It was not centrally located, but yet we did not have any issues reaching from here to the other locations. This was right behind our house, which we had decided to explore on one of the days, and it felt blissful walking amidst this calming nature. I would personally advise you to not only visit the popular attractions, but you should also explore locations like these. I bet you will love the feel. It's time for us to go to Hallstatt. We took a train from Bad Ischl to Hallstatt station, and then there was a ferry to the Hallstatt market. And believe me guys when I say this, Hallstatt is a dreamland. At least I thought so. The pictures do not justify what we saw in this place, and we are waiting to revisit this place and stay here for a day or two for sure. It was simply a magical village for me. We will definitely come back to exploring Hallstatt, but now let's go to the place which I'm very excited to show you guys. This is Daxton. Snow is at the top of this glacier throughout the year, and I love snow. Now there is a bus that takes you from the Hallstatt village to the base of this mountain, where you need to buy tickets and take a cable car to the top. Let me explain. The first cable car will take you to the Mammoth Caves and the Ice Caves. So if you have tickets only for these, then you won't be able to go up. The second cable car takes you to Five Fingers and the World Heritage Spiral, which is at an altitude of almost 2100 meters. This car does not drop you directly to the point. You have to walk for some 15 to 20 minutes to reach each point, and both of them are viewing areas with a stunning view. You can definitely enjoy more of this view on their live webcam, which you can find on their website. Let's go back to exploring the Hallstatt village. अरे अरे अरे, ये बोर्ड देख के याद आया, वी वर स्ट्रैंडेड इन हॉलस्टाट। हम लोग इतना खो गए थे इन हॉलस्टाट कि हम ये देखना ही भूल गए थे कि लास्ट फेरी है कब की। बस अपनी ही धुन में घूमे जा रहे थे। थोड़ा स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हो गए थे as we also had a baby with us, but then a lady helped us call a cab and we reached the closest station from where we took a train to Bad Ischl. I mean, मैंने हॉलस्टाड देखते ही भगवान को कहा तो था कि I want to stay here, but इतना जल्दी सुन लेंगे ऐसा लगा नहीं था। Next time I'll be more specific. चलो तो अब चलते हैं हमारी फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ, Salzkammergut. So we actually had visited this place unplanned, but it literally took us by surprise. It was a beautiful town. Now this is one word I guess I have used a lot in my travel videos, but it really was pretty. Without any agenda, we just explored the town. While exploring this place, we discovered a cog railway that runs between this village and Schaffberg. It offers a panoramic view of the villages below. And if you are looking for some exercise after eating a lot of junk food and desserts, you can get off at the middle station and walk up the rest of your way. Either way, you will definitely enjoy the view from the top. And with that, we have reached the end of our trip for the day. Next week, we will be going to Valencia in Spain. Do join me next week if you would like to explore Valencia. Till then, bye bye and take care.